Welcome to Sudatel Data Center, SDC. SDC is the largest data center in Sudan, North and East Africa. The center is one of the great achievements of Sudatel company, constructed at a cost of $45 million with an area of 14,000 square meters. The center aims to supply the highest level of IT infrastructure, reliability, network monitoring along with data and power backup. SDC provides its services for our subscribers in Sudan and worldwide, in North and East Africa, be they companies, members of the public, or telecommunication service providers. This project was developed in accordance to the highest worldwide standards. It is a Tier 4 data center that calls for data to be available at all times, with a percentage of 99.995%. So join us in exploring the center. Safety and protection. The premises itself is under constant surveillance by a 24-hour security team, guarding all entrances and equipment, in addition to the building management system, which monitors electric current, batteries, generators, water leakage, and fuel levels, as well as weather conditions such as heat and humidity levels. The building is also supplied with over 100 internal and external CCTV cameras, as well as an intrusion detection system. Entrance points are controlled via the access control system. Various building rooms have varying identification mechanisms in tune with the security level needed to enter these rooms. Fingerprint, iris recognition, proximity card, access code. Alarm and fire control. The building has a state-of-the-art alarm and fire control system supplied with various firefighting means in the different sections of the building. The offices are supplied with water sprinklers. Network and data rooms are supplied with NN100 fire extinguishing systems. The generators and battery rooms are supplied with carbon dioxide fire extinguishers. Power and cooling. The center is supplied with various power and backup sources to ensure there are no power cuts, 2N+1. The center also has dual power supply lines with capacity 4 MVA each from 2 separate stations and a fuel tank reservoir with enough fuel to keep the center running at full capacity via diesel generators for 7 days, in addition to UPS and batteries which feed the sources. There are 6 cooling units in addition to 2 spare ones in each data room, which pass cold air under the network cabins through a 90-centimeter raised floor. Communication and data network room. The communication room is the meeting point between the data center network and other networks through various service providers, while still providing an extra level of protection against connectivity discontinuity. The data network is the heart of the data center, designed with high transfer rate capacity using fiber optic cables, adopting the latest switches and firewalls to support cloud computing and virtual systems. Data room. In the center of the main building are 4 data rooms with a combined area of 1,424 square meters, which can hold up to 700 racks to reach a user capacity of 1,000 users per room. Surveillance and NOC. One of the most important parts of the building is the Network Operating Center, NOC. This is where the network and equipment are monitored around the clock all year long, and in proximity to the NOC is a 21-seat meeting room equipped with the latest audio and video equipment for varied meeting purposes. Services. SDC provides a varied as well as safe set of basic and supporting services. These services help to reduce customers' establishment costs and allow for reduced time to market, as well as allowing the client to develop and focus on their field of operations and area of expertise. Basic services: co-location service, dedicated server service, virtual server service. Supporting services: data security and protection, expandable SAN storage service, client equipment monitoring service, data backup and restoration service. The co-location service is the service where the client rents a specified space on a rack, a whole rack, or a group of racks. These racks have the following advantages. 1. Plug and play system. 2. A rack with a 42U height. 3. 2 power supply options, 20 or 30 amps. 4. 2 options for connectivity via protected fiber optic cables or UTP cables. The dedicated server service. The center provides dedicated servers with various options with a client-chosen operating system. Virtual server service is a flexible way to virtually provide servers with different levels of services, depending on the memory needs, storage space, and application speed requirements. For more information, call 970 from Sudani Network, 0183 7 666 99 from other networks, or email sudani-business@sudatel.sd.